Hello. In this video, we delve into the dark side of tea and uncover the 90 deadly teas you should never drink. We do this through the world of natural treatments and well-being, where we reveal the secret dangers concealed in and the ones you should never let touch your lips. Watch to learn more. The excitement now begins as we look at the list of toxic teas that we shouldn't drink and learn which teas to avoid to safeguard your health. Let's see the list of dangerous teas that we shouldn't drink. 1. Comfrey tea. The first tea on the list is comfrey, which has been used for its therapeutic properties since ancient times. Comfrey contains a compound called pyrrolizidine alkaloids, which sounds bad for our livers. The more comfrey we drink, the more of these alkaloids accumulate in our livers, putting us in danger of liver toxicity. That's not all. These compounds can also turn into toxic metabolites, which may raise our risk of developing liver tumors. Recent research has confirmed these relates to a 2018 study published in the Journal of Hepatology that detailed substantial liver damage brought on by these pyrrolizidine alkaloids. Similar findings were also reached by another study in Elementary Pharmacology and Therapeutics in 2020. 2. Lobelia tea. Don't rush to brew a pot just yet, though, as research, including a 2010 study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology, indicates that lobelia contains several compounds that may affect the health of our hearts. Specifically, the plant contains lobeline, which acts as a stimulant on our cardiovascular system. However, the plant also contains other alkaloids. What these sneaky compounds do is manipulate certain receptors in our bodies, which can subsequently mess with our heart rate and blood pressure. You can only imagine that this isn't the best news for those who suffer from heart problems. Excessive amounts of this tea can exacerbate the effects on our cardiovascular system, particularly if you already have heart problems. It can even cause seizures. 3. Chaparral tea. I recently read an article in the journal Toxicology and Applied Pharmacology from 2018. It says that the leaves of the chaparral plant, also known as Larrea tridentata, are used to make chaparral tea. This tea contains a compound called nordohydroglyuritic acid, or NDGA. Researchers are concerned about this compound because it may have negative effects on the liver and kidneys. However, flavonoids found in the plant can cause oxidative stress and damage to your cells. These are scary things, so when you drink chaparral tea on a regular basis, these compounds start to interfere with much as you might enjoy a hot cup of chaparral tea. Perhaps it's better to switch it out for something less hazardous for your health, because your kidney and liver functions can produce harmful substances that your body can't always deal with. This isn't just a minor inconvenience. It could lead to severe health complications that none of us want to deal with. 4. Germander tea. Did you know that, although being popular in the past for its purported ability to help with weight loss, germander tea is currently not recommended? Here are some scientific facts. Don't just believe me when I say that germander includes several substances that have been connected to toxicity, such as neoclaridine and terpenoids. Germander tea is toxic, as evidenced by a 1992 study published in the Annals of Internal Medicine. The condition is so serious that it even has a term, germander hepatitis. However, the tea's potential risks extend beyond liver damage. The Journal of Natural Products, 2010, found that the tea contains compounds known as furanno-neoclaridane diterpenoids that may have cardiotoxic effects. But wait, there's more. Turmeric also has tannins, which, although in moderation, can occasionally be beneficial, can be dangerous when taken in excess. According to the Journal of Ethnopharmacology, 2018, a high tannin intake may cause kidney damage, upset stomach, and even raise the risk of developing certain types of cancer. Therefore, the next time someone offers you a cup of germander tea, consider going with a safer option like chamomile or green tea. 5. Sassafras tea. You may be aware that the main ingredient in sassafras tea, saffron, has been connected to liver cancer. It's fascinating how this works. Sassafras tea has a distinct and alluring flavor that many people like, but there's a hidden risk in that cup. A study published in the Journal of the National Cancer Institute in 2016 revealed evidence that saffron can cause liver tumors in mice, which alarmed people. In addition, the Food and Drug Administration in the United States banned saffron as a food additive. Let us know in the comments below if you have any terrific topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Until our next journey through a world of flavor, stay safe, stay healthy, and remember, it's always tea time somewhere.